Hello students, good afternoon. I am Pradeep Hegde, Computer Science lecturer in Dr. Revu Balega Arts and Science PU College. So today, I welcome to you all to my online classes for first PU Computer Science. And I think you are all are waiting for computer science classes. So I'm here to take you the computer world. So computer is an important part of our life, and every day we find computers, its application and its uses in our life. So let's discuss computer science. What is computer science and its scope and how to study and how to understand the computer and the PUC and the computer science, the relation between the PUC and the computer science. So all we discuss in this class. So first we start, what is computer science? So nothing but the name itself indicates science. It's a branch of engineering science that studies technology and principles of a computer, and it is the study of different programs that involves data and represented in multiple programs. That means the computer science helps to develop the program, it helps to develop the application programs, softwares, and it also helps to study the computer in detail. And how to work with the computer, how we can work with the computer. To work in the computer, we need to work on the theoretical part rather than hardware side, because computer is made up of both hardware and software. But the computer science, the study of computer science, must be focused on the theoretical part. If you strong in the theoretical part, definitely it leads to the a greater extent. So to work with the computer science, you should focus on the theoretical part rather than the hardware part. And these the computer science basically focus on the IT companies, information technology companies, and they utilizes the computer sciences. And next we discuss the skills required for computer science. What skill you need to develop to build the computer science in you properly? The first is analytical skill. An analytical skill means that you have to develop the analysis problem. Analysis means what? You have to understand the problem first. Without knowing the problem, one cannot solve the problem. So the first thing you should analyze, you should develop a strong analysis. Then only you can find out the solution easily. Next, the problem solving skill. After analyzing the problem, we should develop how to solve the problem. A single problem may be solved in a different way, but you have to solve the problem in a systematic and logical way. Then only the IT company or any computer industry will definitely accept these the problem skills. And next is uh, creativity. So one of the important skill in computer science, the creativity. To develop these solutions, you have to create the solutions with your own creation. That means you can create a proper solution for the problem. And the critical thinking skill is another important skill. The critical thinking skill must be required to become the computer science master. And the scope of the computer science. Why you have to take the computer science, and what is the scope of the computer science? So as we know, the world is becoming more and more digital, so the scope for computer science is also becoming more and more. So there is a lot of scope in computer science. Even you might be have seen the people who are from other specializations like civil, mechanical and electronics, they are also using the computer science. So the most important point in working in the computer science is that it is not limited to any boundary. It has no boundary. The scope of the computer has no boundary. It's unlimited. You can find the computer science, the technology in every field. So, and job opportunities in computer science. There are various job opportunities for the computer science. You can go for Infosys, Wipro, and you can go for Tata Consulting Services, TCS, and the Harvest Packed, HCL, the Sun Microsystem, etc. So a lot of company definitely waiting for you if you are a genius in computer science. So the next is the benefits of studying the computer science. So why should we study the computer science? The first is easiness of finding the job. You can easily get the job with the help of computer science background. And the second one is computer science gives you possibility to change the world. You can change the world. You are able to change the world. And easiness to work remotely. This is another the benefit of computer science. You can work remotely. Remotely means by sitting here you can work anywhere in the world. And next important benefit is getting powerful and very useful skills, and it improves the IT knowledge, information technology knowledge. And next is self-development. You can develop yourself, you can develop the program, you can develop the application programs so that you can earn the business, you can do the business, you can earn the money. So self-development, and it helps to make the contacts in IT industry. So several IT industries are waiting for the fresh computer science students and engineers. So you can get the contact with the IT industries, and you very good perspective for the future. So you can get the future bright, and the possibility of expressing your the creativity. So as I said earlier, the creativity is one of the important skill. If you improve the creativity, automatically you can express your creativity with the help of computer science. And the technological independence, you need not to depend on others for technical issues, so you can independently solve the technical problems. And the cyber security awareness, definitely it improves your cyber security awareness, and you know the computer science, computer, so you can easily go through the cyber without hesitating. And it also increases your the personal view, and also it gives a great respect, so on. So these are some the benefits of the computer science. And next, how to study and understand. How to study the computer. So computer science is not difficult at all. Some people say it's very difficult and very rigid. But the computer science for PUC, I'm talking about only for PUC, it is very easy. Easily you can understand and you can study and you can score. So how to study? The first thing is you have to focus on logic, because the understanding the computer concepts is based on the logic, because computers are designed with the help of logics. So you have to understand the logic, then you can easily learn and study the computer science. And the next is PUC and computer science. So computer science subjects are included in PUC for the science and commerce students. So both can get benefits from this subject. This computer science definitely helps you to build the strong basic knowledge. You can earn a strong basic knowledge from computer science in PUC. You can go or you can see anywhere in engineering field or in mechanical or in civil, wherever you go, computer subjects are mandatory. Essentially, they are included in all the educational fields. So if you learn the basics in few level, then definitely you can improve yourself. So the PUC and computer science, the computer science definitely will increase your the mind power, the stability, and also it improves your personal appearance. So you are very proud to be a computer science student. You should have the proud, I am a computer science student, because computer science is one of the most important and very the crucial subject in PUC. You can score more and more in PUC, and you have practicals and you learn different programming languages and you learn the basic fundamentals. So you can develop or you can make the base stronger. So with this I conclude the introduction to computer science. Thank you. Have a good day.